You
This
understood, right?
conference
How
will
to
now be
do that one.
recorded.
Yes, if you have faced any problems while doing that particular assignment or anything, if you are not get, you can tell me that. So I will clear that doubts in this session. Anything is there like that? No? Okay, good. So last class, finally, before ending the class, actually what concept we were doing before ending the class. Anyone remember? If you
Yes,
can't
sir.
able to
You were
unmute and
telling.
speak, you can just text me also, not an issue. Yeah, tell me, Bindu.
Sir, you were telling that you can even change the color and show the graph.
Yeah, very good. Next, that gradient I was telling about, that coloring and all. Finally, ending stage, I told one word. We will continue this particular thing in the next class. So I think that is nothing but called as joints, right? Union, joints, inner join, left join.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so that we will start today. I told a small bit about the joints, and I told briefly we will see about what is joint. Okay, and with the practical session in the next class. Why is that ID will be same for all the classes? Okay, just you can mark it as a favorite message, or you can start it, or else I will from next class onwards I will just put off a message daily that what is the ID for the class. Okay, so now I'll take an Excel file here. So I'll make you to understand first what is the joints and all. See, for example, here I have something you think as table A. Okay, so here I'll make it like table B. Okay, so in table A I have column 1, and in table B I have one more thing, column 2. Okay, so in this one I have set like numbers 1 2 3 4, and same in that second table. Okay, so in that place I'm having like 5 6 7. Okay, I'll give here 7 and the 1, like this. So this is the data from that column 1 of table A, and this is the data set of column 2 from the table B. So assume that I have two tables. Okay, so now I want you to tell me, I'm going to do inner join. Inner join. So what will be the result when I take this as left side one, this is as one data or one sheet, or these are one more sheet, or this is as one table and this as one more table, then what will be my inner join? Will you tell me what is my value if I do inner join for this? What will be the result? Anyone? If each and every time if you can't able to unmute and answer, just you can drop your messages also, not a problem, but I want the answers from all of you.
Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1?
Inner join means what?
So is it the common ones?
Yeah. What is that? Will be
It's
that?
only one then. One.
Yeah. But so that is nothing but what? 1. So the answer will be 1 for this inner join. So which is common one? Okay. So both side which is available is 1. That will be considered as common, which is called as inner join. So if I take it as left join, then what will be my answer?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 1.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So do I need to give one more time 1 again in this place? Or 1, 2, 3, 4 is enough?
So the one as a common one from the
Yeah.
next table. So
So we need to remove the common one. 2 times is the not equal. The left join. 1, 1 both sets is the commonly I will remove it here in this place where in the left join. Okay. Because if you go further, it will get changed. It comes in a different order. I will tell you where it is. Okay. So then right join. What will be the answer for the right join? Inner join you told, which is common for both. Left join you told, left side, and which is common on the right side. What is the right join?
The numbers from table B.
Okay. What are the numbers I have to enter?
5, 6,
5,
1, 7.
6, 1, 7.
1, 7. Clear, right? So this will be nothing but called as what? Right join. So, but what is the problem here? Common one I took from here and here. When I say on right side, one more one is there. So that also I have to mention it here. So this one common, it has went. Okay. Additionally, this one is coming that I have mentioned here in this place. So in here, in this case, where we are working the Tableau, we have to take it in like in this format. When it is repeated 2 times, it comes 2 times. Okay. But the common one from the left side will be considered as 1. So understanding, right? So this and this, sorry, this and this are common, which will be considered as 1. So 5, 6, 1, 7. Again, 1 is one more time, it is repeated. So again, I am mentioning that 1 here. So this will be considered as right join. So okay, this is different one which we have not heard about that, which comes in Tableau. You would have heard about also full outer join. So what will be the answer for full outer join? Full join or full outer join? So I'll tell you. Anyone got your answers? So which will be your answer for that?
Maybe like except one other numbers will come.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then okay. So both will be coming. Okay, so Manu has given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I told like this. Full outer join is nothing but so which from the left side and right side. So in this place, this 2 which is coming 2 times. So we will consider this actually as Cartesian multiplication, which is considered 1 into 2 times, which here 1 is repeated 2 times. So this 2 will 1 is repeated 1 into 2, which comes 2 times. So we will take it 2 times. Okay, in Tableau we will say this is nothing but called as Cartesian multiplication. Okay, so I'll show you that PPT. Yes, you can go through that once. So take a pic of this. So inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and Cartesian, which is nothing but that A into B. How many times 1 repeated on this side and this side? So but that Cartesian join is comes as a cross one. Okay, so that what is that means cross? What is that? That I will tell you while practicing that one. Okay. Okay. So this is what Cartesian join. So which comes this 2 times. So here also when we can see, while seeing the data only we can say, okay, that 1 comes when 2 times, it can be called as 1 into 2. So the 2 times coming. So it is repeated 2 times because it can be called as Cartesian join and cross connections. Okay, so what is that cross connections and what is that join and union? So that and all I will tell you in the practicals. So now is that clear theoretically? What is this joints? Inner join, left join, right join. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now, yeah. So now I'll do it as practically. See here. Open Tableau. I close off all this data. Okay. Click on Microsoft. Okay. I will take sample superstore. So I have sent this file right to all of you. Just take this particular file, open it. So let me know once all of you open the file. Just drop the messages once all of you open the file. I'm keeping an eye on the chat box. Open the Superstore, sample Superstore workbook. Over.
So could you please resend it? So I'm not able to find it out.
Okay, I'll send it. Creating join is very easiest one, but sometimes it's little difficult for the freshers when we are starting up new. Okay, I'll tell you that when you will only ask me like how you are getting, but we are not getting like that. Very small steps will be there. Please let me know all of you once if you're done. So can you just raise your hands? How many of you are working with me simultaneously? How many of you working with me? Share. No replies are there. So what we will do? We'll make absent for who are not replying for today. D Prajna,
Yes, sir.
reply no ma. From your side, some messages or some voice comes means it will be better to take the class. Everyone kept silent means you're working or not with me.
Yes, sir, we are working.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then that if you tell me what I'll do right. Other side, opposite side, everyone are sleeping. I'm just shouting from my side if I'll think right. If you talk from your side, or if you message from your side, no need to talk. Just use the chat box and text. So I'll know that okay, someone is listening my classes. Huh? Just drop the messages who are all working with me out of 18 people. Let's see how many of you are working. Samita. Okay, the last. Okay. Viva 13. Okay. Saitra. Sanjana. And just confirm that whether your name is there in the Excel list also. Meghana. Megan. Yes. Hermione. These are the student list. Please confirm. Any of your name is missing or any other extra. So my name list it is showing 18, but people who have joined is 19. How is it possible?
Sir, that is including you 19.
Oh, that means anyone added now. Just before second 18 it was showing. Who added right now? Okay, we'll see that. So 18. All of your names are there here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now it is open now for you. Now what I will do, I will take this order sheet. I'll take order sheet and then I will take this people, this sheet. Okay. So before taking this order sheet, see in the order sheets, I want to know that what are the datas are there. So even I can see the datas which are there in the particular sheet here also. Or if I want to view the datas, I can view it here also. View data. So because I need a confirmation that before I'm working, what are the datas I require and whether that type of datas are there here. Order ID I required, so it is there here. Okay. So next, I will take people, this particular sheet, and I will make it like this. So automatically see, I'm getting joins. What type of join is this one? Can you tell me what type of join is this one?
Inner join.
inner join. So all of you getting inner join right now?
Sir, can you just repeat it again?
Yes, sir.
Who is getting? I'll remove it. Then I close this one also. Okay. So I've taken the order sheet inside. So do once if you take the order sheet inside, do double click or else just click on this arrow mark and click on open here. I did double click here. So I'll get one box like this. Or else you can do it like this. Click on open. So this will open like this. Then take this people and do it like this. Keep it next to that orders. So automatically for you joins will be opened. Manvi Tanwar, who are not attending more than 45 minutes, for them different type of attendance. After attending more than attending 1 hour, for them different attendance. 1.5 hours purely attending, for them different attendance. Like absent, present, 1, 2, like that variations will be there. So make sure that you are not going out like for attending for only half an hour like that. So inner join, see I've taken the inner join here. Okay. First let me confirm. You're getting this one or not? This is what I told. Slightly it will be different.
Yes, sir.
Previous version what has happened, when they drag and drop only automatic will come off. In the latest versions they change it, just we have to open that particular portion or particular sheet, then only we can make the joining portions. Okay, inner join, if I click, see I'm not getting any differentiation. Which difference are coming, but I couldn't able to find out what is the actual difference here, because if I'm having more data or more records here. So left to join, and this is the right join, and this is full outer join. So now first what we will do, I close off this one. Okay, I will take this Excel file, take off the Excel file what I told you. So because we are having more data, we will reduce the data and we will work on the joins, so which will be helpful for you to understand in easier method. Open that sample superstore. So having only 4 records, the remaining everything I will delete it. In the order sheet I have taken only 4 and remaining all the records I have deleted. And again I go for the returns, having some 3 here, again remaining everything I will delete it. Please make sure that you have made these changes. So this was just for you to understand, and more data are, you can't scroll down or check which is inner, what is the difference between outer and all. So I made it the data short like this, created like this. Let me know once if you're done, and just click on the file, save as, browse. I will save it in the desktop as sample superstore testing. Oh shit, 1 second. Leaving that 4. I deleted all from the orders, and the returns also. I'm having only 4 rows. Remaining all I'm deleting, and I'm going to save it as desktop superstore test. Okay, I have saved this one. I close off this now. Just I click on the file. I close this particular connection which I'm having here. So who are working with me? Have you modified that Excel sheet or not? It is modified.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now just connect with that particular Excel sheet. Sample superstore text. Sorry, test. So now I'm taking this order sheet. So can you see here? I'm having only 4 rows here. Order ID 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 rows are there. Order IDs, order date, ship date, ship mode, all these details. Now just take this people, and before taking this I'll just verify the records. How much are there? And returns. I'll take the returns. So which was having one more column, order ID. I'm taking the returns and I'm just placing it here next to this. So you're getting anything like here in this place bottom. So what type of join is activating now? Which type of join is there now? What join it is, ma?
Inner join, sir.
Okay. So why I'm not having any data here?
Because there's nothing in common.
Very good. So it represents nothing is common between that what order sheet and return sheet. Just even we'll verify here also. We'll open that also. We'll keep it and silently show you that. So this order sheet, I'm having 4. The order ID 56, 56, 88, 66, and in the returns, so the order ID is totally different, which is not common from here and here. So nothing is common, and here I have activated the inner join so that nothing is common here. Again, I click in this place. I go for left join. So now what I'm getting? From the left side order ID and from right side order ID on the returns. So order ID 4 I'm getting. This is left side in this particular table. All these 4 records I'm getting. All these 4 records I'm getting here. If I go right side, okay, and this place returned, I'm getting null, and returns order ID also I'm getting null. Why I'm getting null value? I'm expecting the answers from someone.
Because there's
I'm
nothing
getting here
common.
returns right. Yeah. So left side everything are there. That means the order sheet, whatever the 4 records is there, everything are there here. But on the right side, okay, the return sheet, okay, that common is nothing but that from the entire result returns, nothing is common here. So that's why I'm getting here null value for order ID. Okay, now next I'll go for right. For right, so why I'm getting these are all null? Nothing is common from the right side. Nothing is common for left side one from the right side. For example, row ID, it is not there. Order ID is also, it's not common. The order date, ship date, it is all not at all there. Because we are having how much? Only 2 columns. One is returned and one more is order ID. That even two are in different ID or different format, means different numbers. So now you see, if I come to right side, so here, can you see left side nothing is there, but on the returns, on the right side sheet, I'm getting the 3 values which are yes and order IDs. So everything from the right side and which is common for both. So nothing is common for both. So that just I'm getting everything from the right side. Is that clear for everyone? Okay, next, again clear, just click on this place, full outer join. So now I'm getting like this. Can anyone explain me what is full outer join? So everything from the left and everything from the right, that is nothing but called as what? If it is repeated is there, what will happen? That I'll tell you. So this full outer is nothing but everything are unique from the left side and right side. Both are coming. So now what I will do, I'll take common inner. So you're getting that full outer one. Everything from that order sheet, the 4 and returns 3. So now what I will do, I'll go for this superstore in orders. I'll create one more. Like this. So what I've done, I copied, means I created one more duplicate entry, okay, in the order sheet. And let me save this and go for returns also. Here I'll give yes. And from here, I will take 1. This value and I will paste that in the returns. Understand what I'm doing? I've created here one more duplicate entry which is same here. Okay, and then same value I copied one more time to the returns. I will save the sheet now. Go for Tableau, and now I will just refresh the data here. So now can anyone explain me now? So the order ID which is common from both sides. So that is nothing but, so in returns also this order ID is common which is presented in returns, the same order ID which is presented in the orders also. So that is why for inner join common order ID we are getting, but others everything are null here. Okay, so what if I select remaining also? Same thing I copied here, save again. If I reload the data, now you are getting inner join. Again let me click on this, go for left side. See, I'm getting all the records from the left, and I move towards to the right, and which are common on the both sides. I'm getting this one. Getting two are common. The same ID one is represent extra. So which is common one this side and this side. Consider will be as one, and one more will be one. So two. This is nothing but called as what? What multiplication? 66 one time, two time in one sheet. On the returns one. So that common it takes one time and another one more time. So two times, 2 into 1 as 2. So what that multiplication is called? Can anyone tell me what is that multiplication called?
Catching join.
Cartesian multiplication. It is called as what? Cartesian multiplication. So please you take this diagram, okay, and you can take this one also. It will help you to understand what is that. Take this one, note down this, and take 5 minutes break. Okay, at 5:15 we'll start remaining. I'll continue the second part of the same thing at 5:15. Okay, just note down this notes. What is inner join, left join, right join, full join, and cross join. Take for me 5 minutes break. Again we will join. You shall start. So anyone understood what is this cross join in this place? Anyone understood what is cross join by reading that content? Respond. So cross join is nothing but very easiest one. Shall show you. For example, here 1, 2, 3 is there. On this side also one more data 1, 2, 3 is there. So this one which will be connected with all that. So that one has to be connected with like this. Again same thing. This 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Again this one to this one, this 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Again this 2, this 2 to this 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3. So each and everything will be connected or joined with opposite side with each and everything. So where nothing will be left, each and everything from this side and that side will be joined or will be connected with other sides. Clear? So that will be considered as cross join. Clear? Anyone have any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now next what I will do, the same thing we will do it in with a different data sets. The cross join itself will do it with a different data sets. So now what you do, you just close this one file. I'll close off this one. Okay, I'll send you another two data to you now. Cross joining. So where we are going to work with what? Cross joins. Please download this two sheet and open that. Okay, I have opened one. So I want you to open two and tell me I have done. Let's see how you're trying to open the data. Okay, I've done one and I'll tell you how to do that also. Okay, you want to add connection. I have opened sales 2016. With that, I want to open that one more file also, product. So if I want to connect that sheet with this sheet, and I want to create a connection between these two sheets, so then I have to create this add, and I have to click on this add and I create connections between both of them. So just click on this add and add that one more sheet also, and tell me who have done. Once you finish, tell me who have done. And if you're done, Just post that into the group. How you are getting that view. Post that message in that screenshot in that WhatsApp message, WhatsApp group. Once you open the product what 2016 the sales by clicking on the add that product 2016 also, then just send me the photo. Let's see how you're trying to add the data. Anyone have done or not? Okay. Just click on add. Okay. So next what I have to add, the file is nothing but what? Products 2016. So can you see here? Microsoft Excel, comma separated value files. So there is nothing but .csv file. And I do right click on the file. If I go for properties, can you see that here? .csv. Can you see this here? .csv. So that is nothing but called as a text file, a notepad file. Okay. So if you're trying to search that particular file by clicking on the add using this Microsoft Excel, you will not get, because CSV is one type of a text file. So please browse by using this text file and then go for this cross join, and you browse that file what I sent in the downloads, select the products 2016 and open it. Now you tell me you're getting now.
Sir, can you do that product one, tagging it again?
Yes, yeah, I close this. I close off the entire thing. See, first I'll open sales, connect data. Okay, so what I sent you, the two files, cross join, so you can see the logo itself. So one is like this, the sales 2016 is like this, and products 2016 is like this. Okay, when I take this sales, so this is an Excel file. See type, you can see Microsoft Excel worksheet, and this one Microsoft Excel comma separated CSV file, that is nothing but notepad file or text file. So now first I will open Excel. I'll take sales 2016 and then click on add. So product is nothing but what type of file? It's an Excel file or text file?
Text file.
Text file, so
Yes. CSV. Yes, is nothing but comma separated file. It's nothing but text file. Just click that and select, see automatically that one more file is not coming. What one? Sales is not coming because I'm searching for all text files here. So that can be like .txt or .csv, .tab or tsv files. So CSV, I'm getting this one open. Both I'm getting right now. So on the left side, can you see sales into blue color and products into orange color or something yellow, whatever you think it. So now I just click on this sales, which I open first. I click on this sheet 1, open it. Okay, I'm going for multiple connection. Here, can you see? I connected two different workbooks, not sheets, two different files or two different data sets. So one is in blue and one more is in another color. Now, from the product, I take this product 2016 CSV and I keep it for joining purpose here. So now the data are presented in this place in the bottom. Okay, so here we will study about this now, this place. Okay, so now you tell me which is products and which is sales. How will you find out from the bottom? In this area here, which are belongs to products, which are belongs to sales. How will you find out? Anyone? Many columns are there. So these are the columns are belongs to sales and these are the columns to belongs to products. How will you tell me?
First for products because
How
it
you're telling
has
the
a
first?
orange line above that. The
Yeah, very good. So that above that you can see a line which is highlighted. Okay, that makes you very clearly which for which is it is belongs to. Just a minute. Okay, sorry for that. So is that clear now? Okay. So now, so let's see about this place. I'll tell you some things. So what you will be using here. So after this, we'll go for extract and live connection. I will, and by this class, we'll close off that interfaces of the tables in this screens. We'll clear out it. So now first, already I told you these are the represents what type of data it is, like date, and these are text, like this and all. So now see here in this place where I'm having a small arrow mark when it is saying it's a text column, just click on this. So these are the options are available. One is you can rename this column. So product 2016.csv is there, right? You can rename it however you wanted. Once if it is renamed, again if you want to back, if you want to rename it back, so you can just click on reset name. So previously what name was it was having the particular column, that will be returned back once if you rename it also. So don't think that control Z will work here. That is nothing but going one step back, will not work out here. So where if you do reset, the previous values will be resetted here. Okay, so and one more thing, if you want to hide this particular column, you can hide here. For example, product ID, the entire column I want to hide. So I will click here and I click on hide. And one more category. Also I will hide it out. And subcategory also I will hide. Now, if I want to see the columns which are hidden, Okay, so top, can you see your option are called as show hidden files? Okay, so once if you click on this particular place, so it will show you all the hidden columns. Is it showing for you all the hidden columns?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now, but it will be graded out. So likely you can see you can't compare to with this one. It should be likely slightly dull. Okay, again, if you want this should be unhidden, it's very simple. Again, click on the same place, click on unhide. So this options we will use sometime. Why? Because while inserting inside or while taking that data for sheet view, okay, we may not use some for columns. Okay, later for some other things we will use. So in that case, when you want to hide it, we can use this one. And next here, so it is showing totally 1,000 rows of records. So where I'm using in full outer join in this place where totally 1,000 records are there. So now what I will do, I'll try to enter like 20,000 something, any random numbers, and I press enter. So it is loading the data right now. So how many data are loaded right now? And again, if I take 50, but do you think that 50,000 of data will be there here in this place? But the problem here will there will be a bug that here if I enter, for example, any sheet edit be there. If I click on this in this sheet view, how many records are there? That will be shown here. So 1,000 means whichever those shown cards will be there. Sometimes when you are not taking the multiple connections and only you are with one sheet, so that time what happens if you enter 20 also, whatever the records is that only that much will be given here. It will not take that number at all in this place. I'll remove it. Like this. Only 1,000 records are there. Okay, so if I want to see out here 500, just it loads the 500 data here. 100 data if I give, it loads only 100. So how much you want? 100 means based on what concept it is giving 100, or based on what concept it is giving 200. So that if you try to think out means, so just gives based on the top 10 or top 100, that data only it gives for you. So when I enter the data, it gives this much as 51290. And here also the same can be done by clicking on the sheet view. Here you can enter. I want only 500 to be visible, or I want only to be 5 rows to be visible. So only top 5 rows will be visible here. Top 1, top 5. So like that easily we can just see the data filtering in this place also. Clear? So I give again 0. Normally, how many records I'm having? A fault. Now, one more thing you see, I'm having this hashtag, right? Told hashtag. Last class I told what that hashtag represents, what type of value it is. It is text, and what is that hash represents? What type of data it is?
Numerical data.
I think this is what ma? Repeat once again. I didn't hear you properly. Repeat once, please.
Numbers or numeric data.
Yeah, so number numerical data. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll just click on this place. I can describe what type of values you want. See, when I click on this hashtag, so can you see it's a decimal number, whole number. So when you want to change it, no, it is not a number, it is a date. Actually, you have taken a wrong date. It has taken wrongly. So then you can click it and you can change it however you want, like date and time, or date, or string, or boolean. Boolean is nothing but true or false statement. Okay, so you can change it however you want. And if it is something like graphical, then you can take graphical role like airport, area, city, country, latitude, longitude. So graphical, when I entered that postal codes is the right. Okay, that column if it is taken by default numbers you think. So then I can go for graphical row and I can set it as it is like zip code or postcode. I have entered a column like postcodes, postal codes. Okay, but it is take numbers. So then I go for clicking on this place, graphical role, and I will change it as what? Postcode. So now automatically it will be converted. Something numbers, latitude and longitude point. If I entered, okay, but even that also has taken numbers. If I want to change it, I can change it using this place. So even you can change the format of the data or data types. Is that clear? So these are some of the few informations which I would like to give on the interface state. Okay, which further if you want to know, or if you have any issues in this place, if you want to change, or if you want to check out total data or refreshing anything, you will come to know that here. So let me know that is that clear for everyone.
Yes, sir.
So next, yeah. So next I will close this one. So I have sent the data to you. Please download it. Pooja, you are there? Some of you who are there here have not yet viewed the file which I sent the first one. Which one? Sample Superstore today. So maybe it may be with you. Okay. Akshata Venkatesh. Who are they? They are class students, huh? Akshata, you are there? Sarikyu Dawood. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around 5 people. They have not yet seen the data itself what I've sent. I don't know whether you are working with me or not. And now which I've sent. Okay. So who are all have downloaded and opened ma? Tell me ma. So 5 members are not downloaded. Remaining I've seen. How many of you downloaded and opened?
Yes, sir. We have downloaded and opened it.
Okay. So what you means opened, from where you opened the same file, don't import a different file. From where you open from the same file, that only you connect with that. I want to connect the data. Then so now this what I told previously about live and extractions, we are going to do it now. So live is nothing but it is connected the particular this file which is there in the server, which is connected to the Tableau, or Tableau is connected to that data set which is in the server. So when I make changes in this place, it will be automatically updated here also. Okay, what is extract means? I have some older data, okay, older file, older company data, some older things just for folder, and I want to import it and I work. So extracted is nothing but older data which was not there currently now in the server. Lively I'm not working. Previous data, older data, I will be using in the extract method. Okay. So what is that use of that means? When I make changes here also in the server, it will be not changed. For example, in the server 2019 one record is there already updated. I'm going to work on that again on the 2019 record on my laptop by being somewhere. So now I will take extract option and I will work. Why? Because if I take live and if I work, whatever changes I do, automatically in the Tableau server also it will get changed. So I will choose the option here extract and then I will work on the data so that only it will affect in my place in my public version or desktop version, but it will not affect anything which is there in the server. Understanding what is that live and extract?
Yes, sir.
So now practically see now I have this data, what it is, date, customer and sales. So this one I will delete it. Some of you will delete it. I'll save this one. First I'll reload this data. So it becomes as 8. Okay, once I deleted there, 90 went off. Automatically it is. So this is what live the connections. Now what I'll do, I'll go for sheet connection inside this. Okay, go for sheet view. Once you entered inside the sheet view, okay, let me take date. So the date, and let me take the sales amount. So here I'm getting the sum of sales, and here I'm getting that date. So I do, by default the date is getting in the format of year. When I click here, then I get month, and I click here, sorry, quarters, again next month, again next days, like this I'm getting. So which is get it aggregated, we'll say that's called aggregated. Now what I wanted it should be in the format how I represented here, month, date, month, year. So now what I will do, here also I just select on this arrow mark, where on the year date, just click on this arrow mark, come down, so where year, quarter, month, day, here also I can choose, or else I can just plus it here also. But now here I go with this more, okay, and I go for this right side, which is called as custom details of years. I wanted the details to be in month, day, years. Is it visible for you right now? I made it like this. Swap that. Is it visible to you? So now I'll just I will make the size also bigger so that it will be visible for you. So that format. So where I'll do increase my size means just I'll click here and I'll format the access to the size of like 14. Can you see right now? Which I zoomed out here for March 18, 10, March 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, which are represented like this. Now what I'll do, I'll go for this extract Excel sheet. Now I'll add one more column. Okay, I'll give something different. Add one data or some values here. Date also if you want change. And save that this data, whatever I changed here, and save it. Now go for Tableau. Okay, now can you see your sheet 1 extract data? Just do a right click on that. Just can you see refresh option here? Just click on this refresh. So now see, automatically the value has been added here. So this is what nothing but called as advantages of live. When I make changes there, automatically it reflects here also. But make sure that you should not do a mistake. Which file you opened here, the same file should be here also. I opened this file I'm editing, which is there in the desktop, and here Tableau, a file which is connected from documents. Understand what I'm coming to say? This one file what I connected, this Excel file is in the documents. But here I'm editing an Excel file with the same type of file I kept in the desktop. But I am doing separately there. I'm trying to refresh here. So it will not work. So which file you connected, the same file, Excel file only you have to edit and modify. So then only if you refresh, the data will be modified or it will be reflected. Is that clear? And if you see, once if I go for extract, so here you will be having options for extract refresh also. I'm using extract data. So whichever I'm extracting, can you see Tableau data extractor? The file has been getting stored in the my Tableau repository in the format of what? Tableau data extract. And then I'm going to into sheet view, where here can you see now which is extract data to, when I do right click, it is showing that extract data refresh. So this is how to refresh the extracted data if you do some changes. So this one for live and this one is for extract. Is that clear? Please confirm, is that clear for everyone? What is the difference between live and extract and how to do that manually? How it differentiates here? This extracting options and how it's differentiate on the live. The extract will not work on the live. Is that clear? Please respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
Good. Others, anyone have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubts? Yes, doubts are clear.
It's clear, sir.
Okay. Okay, any others? Okay, so let's take the attendance. So please do practice this everyone. Okay, so this extract and live. So what I've done the same thing, I should get one file like this here and one more file here. I want when I open that, I should have this live connection here and should have extract connection here. Clear? And you have to save this and send it to me like this. Save that file and send me that file in the WhatsApp, or you can send that if the WhatsApp is not means most probably WhatsApp will support for that. No issues in that. Or else you can send to that mail ID also, which I mentioned here. to this mail ID also. Noted down. Understood, right? What assignment I gave to you? You have to remember what assignment I given. So that extract and live, two different separately live and extract. You have to do it and save it and send it to me. So option wise, I can verify whether it has been done or not. So now just please save your attendance. Prajna.
Yes, sir. Present.
Yeah, for attendance and all, everyone will open your mouth. Varshika.
Sir, Akshata present, sir.
Who's present? Varshika.
Present, sir.
Bindu.
Present, sir.
Pooja Jaiswal.
Present, sir.
Sanjana.
Present, sir.
Sariku Dawood.
Present, sir.
Why ma? You not downloaded the file from the WhatsApp group only, huh?
Sir, I'll download it, sir.
No. Then it's not showing that info that you are not seen. Delivered to just now it is showing. Sarajal Sharma.
Present, sir.
Chaitra V.
Present, sir.
P. Anjana.
Present, sir.
Sultana.
Present, sir.
Akila. Akila Fatima. Harmahin Zara.
Present, sir.
Vibayan.
Present, sir.
Manavi Tanvir.
Present.
Anwar.
Tanvir, sir. Present, sir.
Akshata.
Present, sir.
Before your name comes only, you tell of I'm present, sir. Huh?
I heard it like Akshata, sir.
Okay. Maria Purnima Silpa.
Present, sir.
3 names enough. Huh? Meghana.
Present, sir.
Meghana. Smita.
Present, sir.
Second half not coming in my mouth. I don't know how to pronounce. Okay. So I think previous class also all of you present, but I have that screenshot. So seeing that, I will update that. So how many of you attended? This will be modified again. Don't worry about. Don't think that I'm present. Again, this will be modified like what? If you attended less than 45 minutes, 1. 1 hour means 2. This 1 hour means 2. Less than 45 minutes, 45 minutes means 1. Fully attended means present. Absent means absent. Something differently to be modified. Okay, so just for this, for my purpose, I taken overall present absent. Again, from that go to meeting, inside automatically attendance list will generate. In that it will show how many hours, how many minutes you have attended. Based on that, I will just modify that. Clear, right? So now whatever the assignment I given, please complete it and send it to me. Okay. Okay. Bye everyone. Ma.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.